Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Air and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then let's make sure that you've got your Google account added to the device. You can do it after entering the Play Store. I mean, you can log in, or you can do it using the settings. I highly recommend to check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. So finally, we can open the Play Store, and now all we have to do is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is our account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then let's go to Updates Available here, simply tap on it. And as you can see, this is the list of all updates pending. And basically, you can either tap on Update All, so your device will download all of them and install them. Or you can simply choose specific apps and simply tap on Update next to it, and your device will right now download the update, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.